I am on the set of our next workshop. It's called WinterWorks, and obviously we're featuring warm and cozy fabrics for the fall and winter with some surprises. We're going to be working with knits and some wool. We're going to be working with some tapestry fabric. We've got some voile in the mix, which is a nice surprise for the fall. Of course, lots of layering. We've got some crop vests. We have jackets. We're going to be doing some applique work. We're working on a couple of shirts, an amazing t-shirt, which we all need in our closet. Sweatshirts. This one is the buying, and this is going to be to the workshop. And then some over pieces. We're going to be making this in a solid as well to share with that. And this kind of piece will go over a t-shirt. So there's a jacket over there. There's tanks. We've got a few hacks in the process. Phoebe, Elena, and Claudia. Claudia is going to be made into a much different dress than what we've had on the pattern. It's a little hack that is, and it turns out into a great winter dress. You just throw on with a pair of boots and go. The Elena, we open up the collar and make it a much broader collar, and that changed the shape of the front. And the Phoebe Pant, we make it to the boy pant, which a lot of you know about. We're going to be making a couple of skirts, and we've got so much on the go. So it's 6 weeks of video series. It's really lovely. We've got 8 free patterns. We're going to be releasing other patterns as well, so we're going to be keeping you very busy. And we're just about to release a sort of list and a line drawings of what the garments are and what fabrics you need. So I hope to see you Thursday. You can join up at sychil.com, sychil.com, or buildyourcollection.com. Platinums, you receive the video series and patterns for free, and gold members, you receive the patterns but not the video series. But make sure to call us or email us if you would like to upgrade to platinum for the rest of your membership. So I wish you a good day, and I hope to see you Thursday. Bye bye.